Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's currency converter for sellers. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen and you're selling on Amazon across different marketplaces, you'll need to handle multiple currencies. That's where Amazon's currency converter for sellers comes in handy. It simplifies the process of receiving your payments in your preferred currency, no matter where your sales come from. To use the currency converter, start by going into the back end of your listing. Navigate to the section where you can edit your listing, and then head over to the offer section. Here you'll find the option to turn on the currency converter. When you activate the currency converter, Amazon will automatically convert your earnings from different marketplaces into your preferred currency before depositing them into your account. This feature saves you from dealing with multiple currency conversions and potential fees from your bank. By enabling this option, you streamline your international sales, making it easier to manage your revenue from different regions while focusing on growing your business. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.